Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn Magento 2 front-end theme structure. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So Magento 2 themes are stored in the app design front-end directory and follow a structured format to organize layout, templates, assets, and the configurations. Below is an overview of the theme structure and its content. So app design front end vendor and the theme name. So this is the directory path. Okay, so what it consists of, that is etc media web Magento catalog checkout. So these are the things that we are going to override from the main theme. Okay, templates, layout, theme and the registration, right? So etc theme configuration contains the view xml file which defines the images, sizes, media settings and the other view rated configuration. Media preview images store the theme preview images for the admin panel, thumbnail and the screenshot.png. Web, these are the theme assets, contain all the static assets such as CSS, JavaScript fonts, and the images. So CSS, custom style sheets, fonts, images, and the JS here you can see contains the JavaScript files for the front-end behavior. Images stores the static images like icons and the logos. Fonts, custom fonts used in the theme. Magento catalog, Magento checkout, etc. Module specific customization. Suppose I want to do the customization for the module catalog page or the checkout page. So these I need to create the pattern and we have to now overriding the things. Okay, overrides or extends the default Magento module templates, layouts, and the styles. Now we have a templates, custom PHTML files, stores custom template files .phtml used for the rendering the UI. Layout, page layout for the XML files, defines the structure and the content of the pages. Whenever I want to switch from, like suppose I want to change the price from this block to another block, so this kind of thing will done in the layouts used to add, remove and the modify the blocks on the pages. Theme XML, theme declaration, so define the theme's name, parent theme if any, and the other meta. Registration, theme registration registers the theme within the Magento system. So this is the theme directory structure that we have to follow. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.